In this guide, we're going to cover the basics of using Google Slides. This will span from creating your first presentation to sharing and presenting with others. To start, we're going to go to slides.google.com. You can also, if you don't want to type in the URL, you can go to your little Google Apps over here that it looks like a waffle, and you can access Google Docs, Slides, Sites, any of the programs that we've gone over. You can access them from here. So from your home page, once you get into Google Slides, you have a couple of options for starting your presentation. You can create a blank presentation, you can use one of the pre-made templates, or if you already have any Google Slides, you can access those here as well. For today, we're going to look at a blank presentation. So first, just like with Google Docs, up in the top left-hand corner, you have the ability to name your presentation. Anything that you will type here will save automatically into Google Drive. So for today, I'm going to again use the idea of test presentation. And you can see that it is saving right up here and it is saved to Drive. You can also use some of the pre-made templates over here on the right-hand side to create your presentation, picking a theme or a design that you like best. And you'll see that when you select one, it gives you a couple of different options on your actual slides so that you can select one that works best for what you're needing to do. I'm going to, for the purpose of this, just insert all the slides so that we can utilize the theme. Before we get into the actual slide itself, I'm going to go over the toolbar. First is the menu toolbar up here. This is very similar to other Google applications. File, which allows you to share, download, publish to the web, save anything. Edit allows you to undo, redo, cut, copy, and paste. View again allows you to zoom, has different guides and layout modes. Insert allows you to add text boxes, images, videos, charts, tables, and word art. Format allows you to customize your fonts, the alignment, spacing, and other elements of your presentation. Slide allows you to add, duplicate, or delete slides. And Tools allows you to just check your spelling, use voice typing, and any other accessibility options. Something that is specific to Google Slides is within the slide category. This allows you to choose your layout from present content that's already available through Google. It also allows you to create transitions to just add a little bit of animation to your slides. And it also allows you to change your background. While the templates already have colors, you can adjust accordingly here. Like with other Google applications, it is an auto-save functionality. So let's say you wanted to add a title into this so you know what you're working with. You'll see up here that it is automatically saving any text as I type it. Now let's look at sharing and collaboration. If you want to share out a slide that you're working on with members of your team, or whenever your students are working on a slide if they want to share within a group, you'll simply go up to the top right-hand corner to share, and then you can enter the email addresses of anybody in your group or on your team. You also will have the option of selecting whether they are a viewer, commenter, or editor. Again, a viewer can only view the document itself. They cannot do any editing. Commenters can leave suggestions on edits, but they can't make any changes to the actual document. And an editor can change anything and everything within a Google slide. This allows for collaboration in real time. You can see live cursors, you can add comments, and you can even chat within your team through this program. Now let's say you have finished your presentation and you are ready to use it in class. Whenever you're ready to present, you'll go up again to the top right-hand corner to slideshow, and you click on that button and it will allow you to then see the full screen. This is what your students would see if you're projecting this on your smartboard in your classroom. You can, from your desktop, or if you have a clicker, you can scroll through all of your slides as you are teaching your lesson. Now, why is Google Slides useful in the classroom? For teachers, this allows you to create an interactive lesson with visual aids. Using slides also allows for flipped learning or are great for whenever you are needing subplans. You can also share templates for student work through Google Classroom. For students, this allows them to present research, stories, or projects, collaborate in groups using real-time tools, and also allows them to embed images, videos, charts to help support their learning and help create for a more engaged lesson. Briefly, I'm also going to go over some advanced features in Google Slides. Once you become more comfortable with this program, these are some things that you can utilize to help bring your slide more to life in the classroom. There's an element called Slide Master. Using themes, you can go to your View tab, select Theme Builder, it's formerly called Master, and then you can edit your layouts, fonts, branding across the entire presentation all at once. You can also use your Insert tab to embed videos and audio throughout your slideshow. This is great if you're wanting students to reference historical material in the classroom, because you can embed the images and videos as you're going through your slides so the students can see them in real time with the stories you're telling. It's also great for student projects, recorded direction, or flipped instruction. You can also link charts from your Google Sheets that stay linked and updated in Sheets, and it also syncs to your slides. So if you're editing something in Google Sheets and you want that data to show in the Google Slides, it's going to auto update. Any slide that you create in Google Slides will auto-save to your Google Drive where you can access it at any time. You'll simply just go to your Google Drive and use the search bar to find the correct slideshow by name or keyword. You can also organize your slideshows into folders for easy access. If you need any help with Google Slides, simply go to the Help tab of your application and select Slides, or you can go to support.google.com/slides